Now that we are in the main Provo truck interface, let's take a look at the functionality that could be available to be able to maximize their productivity. So the first one is the different types of items that are available to them. We can select from the different lists here: cleaning products, dry, food, anything like that. Once they get that, you've got the then subtypes that are available. And if I select snacks, then I can see the different items that are available. Those are the final products that they can then, of course, resupply the aircraft with. So let's take snack mix and select that one. And you can see it's highlighted there. Now there's a few different ways to be able to increment the quantity of what I need to go pick. So let's just do the plus sign here a couple times, and you can see that increments it. I can also have used the quantity fields down the side there if that would have been easier. Okay, so let's clear that out. So now if I just select the quantity of 2 on the right side bar here and select that, you can see it increments the quantity by 2. So a very quick way to do that instead of being able to hit the plus multiple times. As a matter of fact, let's go to our beverages and select soda and select Coca-Cola, and let's say I need 12. Well, I could push the plus 12 times, or I can just hit the quantity of 12 just once there, indicates quantity of 12. Let's say I decide I need 24. Well, I just hit the 12 again, and that incrementalizes that up to 24. And let's say I need 28, let's say. All I have to do is hit the 4 down here. It will add then another 4 to the quantity. So you can see the different functionality as I go through each of these. I can select the different types, subtypes, brings up the items. I can switch between items here. I can incrementalize them by 1 or 2 on the end, or I can select a quantity just once here at the top there, and it incremented it by 6. So we can continue to go through all of our items here. Let's say I need just 3 Dr. Peppers. I could have just gone plus, 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 or just hit the 3 once. Let's take a look at our water. I need some Dasani. I just need a couple of those. So we hit that. We'll go into the hot beverages. I need some tea bags. Let's just do 3 of those. Maybe some juice. Need a couple apple juices. Select that item. A couple apple juices. Maybe 1 cranberry cocktail. And for orange juice, I don't want to hit 4 times plus, I just hit the number 4. So what's happening in the back end with all this? Again, I can go through all the different products and different items, select a different type. It drops to another grouping. Okay, maybe I need some condiments. Select the condiment, increment the quantity. Now, I've done all these different things. I've gone into the AC once in the front galley. What do I need to go now pick out of my truck? So we go to pick, and you can see it lists all of the items there for me. I can prop this up somewhere within the truck or on maybe a cart that's there, and can go through and pick all of these items. I can go back if I need to. Let's say, I looked at something but I forgot to record it. I can go back and say, yeah, I did need some sugar. I need 1 of those. Go back to pick. That sugar's now on the list. It's been added to the list. I can finish picking everything, put it to a cart, or however I'm going to get it into the aircraft, and then I can submit that, and up here at the top, and it clears everything out. That data has now been captured for that AC, for that departure, for that specific galley. We know exactly what we've put onto the aircraft.